Welcome to Tools Met. Today, we're going to explore an amazing piece of modern technology called the CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, and it is one of the most important machines used in today's manufacturing industry. This machine is fully automated and works with the help of computer programming, allowing it to perform complex tasks with incredible accuracy and speed. In the past, most cutting and shaping work was done manually by skilled workers, which required a lot of time and effort. But now, CNC machines have completely changed the game. These machines can cut, drill, carve, and shape materials like metal, wood, plastic, and more with extreme precision. Because of this, CNC machines are widely used in factories, workshops, and large industries all around the world. Now let's understand how a CNC machine actually works. The process starts with a digital design created on a computer using CAD software, which stands for Computer-Aided Design. Once the design is ready, it is converted into a special language called G-code. This code contains all the instructions the machine needs to follow, such as where to move, how fast to cut, and how deep to go. After that, the CNC machine reads the G-code and begins its operation. The cutting tool moves automatically along different axes, shaping the material exactly according to the design. The entire process is controlled by the computer, which ensures that every detail is perfectly accurate. This level of precision is almost impossible to achieve with manual work. There are different types of CNC machines available, including CNC milling machines, CNC lathes, and CNC routers. Each type is designed for specific tasks, but all of them offer high efficiency and consistent results. CNC machines are commonly used to make car parts, furniture designs, molds, and many other industrial products. One of the biggest advantages of CNC machines is that they save time and reduce human error. Once a design is programmed, the machine can produce the same product again and again with identical quality. This makes it ideal for mass production and modern manufacturing.